What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair. Now this is basically what I do every single time I go out. I have really long hair, so I feel like if I do my hair straight, it kind of like weighs me down. So anytime I go out, I like to have my hair curled and just, I don't know, I feel like it frames my face better. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. That was my dog. If you heard a squeak of a toy, that was her. She's a little hyper right now. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I use, what products I use. I'm going to show you what products I use, what curling iron or curling wand that I use. So yeah, if you want to see how I style my hair, then keep on watching. Okay, so when I curl my hair, I always have to have it somewhat blow dried. Right now, this is like a rough blow dry, but I always need to have it blow dried. Living here in Miami, there's a lot of humidity, so if I don't blow dry it, by the end of the night, my hair is going to be like out here, so I'd rather not have that. So I always typically blow dry my hair before I curl it, and yes, it does like make your curl fall out faster, but again, I live in Miami. You gotta do what you gotta do. A heat protectant first. This is the Triseme heat tamer. Do I always do it? No. 99% of the time I don't remember. But you should do it because it's really good for your hair. So next, I brush out my hair. Duh. I just brush out my hair. I'll go in with a quick spray of this. Okay, now, this is a product. If you love to curl your hair or love that beachy, messy type of look, then you need this spray in your life. I swear by this spray. It is the IGK Beach Club Texture Spray. This spray is literally everything. Like, I cannot curl my hair without it. So because my hair is clean, I washed it last night, I'm just gonna quickly spray some in my hair just so the curl has something to hold on to. I normally do hairspray. It smells good. Don't think it doesn't by that. It smells actually really good. But again, I normally do hairspray. Well, not normally. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Again, it depends on the night, what I'm doing that night, how long I'm gonna be out, if I really want my hair to last, you know. So now to section off my hair, I just kind of grab the top piece. Cool. So now to curl my hair, I use, this is the, what is this called again? The Hot Tools. This is the Hot Tools curling iron, and this is the extra long one for long hair because I've got long hair. I don't use the clamp. I kind of just use it like a curling wand. The curls last so long with this curling iron. I don't know why. It just does. So I'm gonna keep using it. You know, what works, works. So normally I just grab a section about that big. And I always curl away from my face. So I just hold it for a little bit. Ow, Andy just bit my toe. And then I just hold a curl for a little bit in my hand just to keep the warmth in for a little bit and just, yeah, let it go. And I basically just do that all throughout my hair. It's super easy and it's so fast for me. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna speed through this part, and then once I get to the top of my head, then I'll show you guys what I do for there. Even though it's really the same, but I don't know. Ah, Andy, that's my toe. Oh yeah, and when I curl my hair, I like to leave a little piece out. Shh. I like to leave a little piece out just because I don't like a perfect curl. You know, I'm going for that more beachy mermaid type of hair. Now for the top part, it's basically the same thing. Find my part, split, now you can switch the hand that you hold the curling wand, but for me, I just find it more comfortable to keep holding it with this hand. I don't know, I feel like a better grip with it. And it's hot, so I'm not trying to drop it on my face, even though that has happened many times before. I don't know how many times I've accidentally, like I always jam out to music when I curl my hair, or just anytime getting ready, I jam out to music, so I really get into it and I start dancing and I forget that I'm curling my hair and I go to like move or something and I totally like burn my neck, and of course it looks like a hickey when you burn yourself with a curling wand, so everyone always thought I had a hickey. So okay, so now for like the bangs, I guess, just the front pieces, I like to, now this is when I switch the curling one, just because I like to get under and have it straight and really make sure this part goes up. I don't know, frames my face better that way, it makes sense to me. I don't know. Or you can do it down, I don't know. Whatever floats your boat, but this works for me. Again, same thing for this like front bang situation. Okay, now that we look real crazy, we're gonna go in, well, I'm gonna go in. I use the Not Your Mother's She's a Tease Volumizing Spray. And I just use this in the roots, just to give it a little something. Just look at what that did. Like, what? Now for me, now this is a part where most people will go in with a brush and brush out their hair, but again, my hair is so long now that if I brush it out, it'll die on me in like 2 seconds. Like, I'll have 0 curls. Like, even just doing that with my hands, like, my curls already kind of fell. But that's why I skip the brush. But normally when my hair used to be shorter, I would brush it out just because I didn't like to look like Shirley Temple all the time. But basically that's kind of it. This is my signature hairstyle. But to finish everything off, I like to go back in with the beach spray and just like lift up my hair. And get all in there. I mean, I don't know how much you can see my hair. My hair's really long. Probably shouldn't have worn black. Can't really see my hair. So yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And also let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. Leave them down in the comments and I'll get to them. Like maybe this makeup look, which I'm pretty pissed I didn't film because it came out kind of good. If I'm tooting my own horn. If I toot my own horn. What's that saying? What's that saying? If I toot my own horn, whatever. You know what I mean. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.